TUI 737 Max 8s. I suppose it's going to tell them it's 30 seconds distance. Wizz Air A321 Neo. I don't know where. It's going somewhere. Let's live. Wizz Air A223, no, sorry, not Wizz Air. Air Baltic A220-300 from Riga. Last time. My friend's doing as well. They push the fence. No, stop that police. I can't. That is true. A little bird over here. Not very willing A320-200s. Lots of A320s.
Belgium Air Force.
I've got an A320-200 going British Airways to... I have no clue where. It's going somewhere. My friend took it. A320 going to Malta. So many cars. British Airways A320, I don't know where.
Oh my god.
We've got 737 Max 8s. Nothing really special today, but him anyways. A390 from Catalonia. I don't know. Catalonia.
You want to know what country that is?
Greece, I'm guessing.
It's in Greece.
Yeah. British Airways A320 to Dubrovnik.
There's Iceland there, EasyJet, Norwegian, EasyJet,
There is an A321 Neo here, just landed from I don't know where. And just here,
I see it.
there's a helicopter.
There we go.
And the helicopter just passed over the A320, so I don't know how that is legal.
Helicopters.
I don't know how that's legal.
I see 2 helicopters.
77 TUI. I did not know how that's legal because just to up the airspace. Imagine the A320 had to go around.
That's TUI.
Hit the helicopter, so wait for the 737 to depart.
TUI to Birmingham. Birmingham. And behind
Where's
that,
the 737 going? Birmingham? Or
Birmingham. And then there's
737-800?
hold on. Well, the aircraft behind it hasn't enough time. It's over the N23 already.
Yeah, it's fine.
Time will tell.
TUI 737-800 to Birmingham.
Hold on, I need it to.
Very short takeoff distance.
Oh, hold on, I need that for one.
TUI 737-800s. Going, I don't know where. Last one of the day. Depends on where this video is. It's going to be actually random. Avoid the license plate otherwise. About it. Air Europa 737-800 from. Where are you gonna go? I'm assuming that it was. Sometimes it's Air Europa. I'm guessing it'll be some injuries, but I should be okay. A319 EasyJets to Paris CDG. The beautiful CFM engines. CFM 66. Guernsey ATR 40, 72 or 42? 72 to Guernsey, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
See, the frame rate exactly matches the one. EasyJet A319 arriving from Strasbourg. License plate, I can't do it. The flare. Okay, not bad, not bad. A320-200 Neo. EasyJets. To where? A319. Papos. Wow. Turkish Airlines A321 Neo. Do you know from where? Do you know from where? The Turkish Airlines, yeah. Istanbul. Alright, nice. Icelandair Max 8. 77 Max 8.
I'm gonna try to go.
And there's a car there for the birds.
This one's EasyJet, London Gatwick to Lanarka.
A320-200s, yeah. Guys, comment what engine's better.
You might see a pop today, you probably will.
I assume. Guys, comment what's better. CFM engines, IE engines, or the LEAP engines for the A320? Comment down below. I'll put something in the comments, whatever.
Apparently diverging to Naples.
Maybe there's something going wrong. It's an A320-200s, yeah. A320-200 Neo.
Oh.
The beautiful LEAP engines. No right landing. Alright, say in the comments what's the better engine for the A320? CFM, IE, or LEAP?
The sound is not moving.
Stuck. Alright, comment down below.
AS it says.
7308, 737-800.
Takeoffs are as bad as their landings.
I'll make this. Going to where?
Dublin.
Dublin. I mean, Odyssey. Oh, it's an NG model. Nice. Split skin carbon mix. 737-800 or 800 NG. With a split skin carbon. But nice one.
It's like neon, the gas.
We have, yeah. We have an A320 Saudi Arabian from Neom.
And I hope it's going around. It says it's Honda.
It's not going around. We've got a car. I don't want to leak everyone else's license plates.
I'm going to take some more photos here. Oh, power down. Oh, it's floating. Floating.
Okay. Alright. North 787-9 to where? No.
Just check me. Orlando.
Orlando.
Did you know they're like a budget airline as well?
No, 787.
You get the seat for free, nothing else. You have to pay for everything else. Oh, God.
Oh, this one. Ascend Airways 737-800s going to Antalya with no livery. As seen on Flight Radar 24. Just a plain blank. 737. We have a A320 Neo. The beautiful LEAP engines.
Oh. The Volvo.
It's on the right landing.
I got stuck in traffic for 20.
A320-200s.
It's hovering. Oh.
It's quite smooth. It's good. It's a good day actually. Not sunny, but no winds.
Photos.
Qatar 787-9, I think. Dash 9, yeah?
I have no idea.
Let's assume. There's a Dash 9. Yeah. Yuling A320-200s.